to solve this inequality and then place our solution on the number line, we need to get the x by itself. So we look at our inequality, find where x is, and we need to get that alone. So we have 3/4 times x plus 3. So the plus 3 actually have to take care of first, and to make that go away, opposite of adding is subtracting, so we subtract 3 here. Now the trick with inequalities, when you have a compound inequality like this, is you want to subtract 3 in all 3 spots. That's what keeps everything kind of equal. So that cancels. 0 minus 3, we have negative 3 is less than or equal to 3/4 x, which is less than or equal to 4 minus 3 is just a 1. Okay, so we almost have x by itself. Just one last thing to do, 3/4 times the x. Now, we could undo the multiplication with division, but because it's a fraction, I like to do the shortcut way of multiplying by the reciprocal. So I multiply by 4/3, which means I do have to multiply by 4/3 in every spot. Ooh. So that leaves us with x in the middle. 1 times 4/3 is just 4/3. Now 4/3 times a negative 3, we can do this cross-reducing and end up with negative 4. So negative 4 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4/3. Now because it's less than or equal to, those are our closed circles on the number line. So we need a closed circle at negative 4. And then we need a closed circle at 4/3. Now what is 4/3? Is an improper fraction. If we were to rewrite that as a mixed number, it would be 1 1/3. So that might help us to remember that it's 1 1/3. And we can approximate where that is right here. And because x is between the negative 4 and the 4/3, our shading will be between here.